Launching our long-distance service at the National Outdoor Expo 2024, who better to test us than the Royal Marine's veteran Nick Goldsmith of Hidden Valley Bushcraft on his second frozen long-distance trail.
9, the 10th is frozen.
Waterproof splash map from the team at SplashMaps. Okay, this is a 1 in 25 thou, which has all the amazing detail that I need to navigate myself and clients around here in the Chew Valley. Of course, this is highly scrunchable, stuffable, and I can throw inside my coat.
A fabric map fan, SplashMaps are in daily use for Nick's charity and hiking work. But for his longest, highest challenge, we match courage with invention. 177 miles of Offa's Dyke deserves 2 splash maps of carefully sectioned ordnance survey maps. Simple planning, reliable navigation.
We are currently at the White Castle. Absolutely stunning grounds of the White Castle, probably around here somewhere. That's kind of what we're aiming for. How are you feeling, Carl? Feeling a bit wet underfoot?
On every hike, a splash map keeps your head up to embrace those fabulous views. And splash maps tailors to the individual. Take Dan Smith's 450-kilometre canoe solo in the Yukon.
The splash map arrived yesterday and I'm absolutely delighted with it. A great size, it's got everything I need on it. It's in 3 sections for my river trip next year, out in the Yukon on the Hess River, starting here in Keel Lake, working my way around all the way to Mayo. This is going to be a great reference point for me when I can pull it out in any weathers, have a look on the map, see where I'm at. Yeah, I'm absolutely delighted with it. Charities I'm doing it for, Team Forces and Safa. Great job, delighted with it.
And strip maps are just part of our bespoke design offering. So for your unlimited adventure, a unique fabric map could soon be to hand.